Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. We're at the Club Shack today getting an antenna set up. This is the Xiegu VG-4. I assembled this in a previous video. I'll leave a link up above for you. It was kind of snowing that day, kind of snowing that month, kind of snowing for the last 6 months. Kind of tired of the snow. Glad it's gone. Now we can get this antenna set up. Let's get to work. These are some kits that I got from eBay for working with military masts. We're going to use military masts to get this thing set up today. So I am pounding the stake in the ground. Bam. The kit comes with some guy rings, and I'm using some trusty paracord and some tent stakes. This is our normal Wednesday morning meetup at the Club Shack. Bam. And eventually, one of these guys is going to realize that, bam, this is a more than one person job. Bam. Making some minor adjustments. Nothing major, pretty simple stuff. All right, here we go, the moment of truth. Testing a Xiegu antenna, why not use a Xiegu radio to do the testing with? We've got kind of infinite SWR on 160. This is not a 160 antenna. There's a little loop there, that's interesting. This is 80, it's also not resonant on 80, but you know, science. You can probably tune that with a good tuner. Looks like it's 5 to 1 out. 60 meters. Four to 1 across the board, not bad. And 40 meters it's supposed to be resonant on, so let's check out 40 meters here. Starting to get good. So, bottom portion of the band, and definitely tunable. We have not made any adjustments on the antenna yet, so we can probably tune that in manually. This is 30 meters, it's not made for 30. Let's see what we got. You know, again, science. 4 to 1 across the board. We go into 20 meters. Flat. And it starts to peak up just a little bit at the end, and that's completely untuned on the antenna. Not bad at all. 17. This is not a 17 meter antenna, but 3 to 1 isn't bad. 21 megahertz. Oh, she's flat on 21. Nice. I'm very happy with this so far. 24. 2 to 1. You can do 2 to 1. Couple of dips. 28. Nice and flat across 10 meters. Did we try 6? Oh, that's not bad on 6 at all. 6 is a big band too. This is the beginning of May, and we're having some really interesting solar activity these past couple of days. It is May 10th, and if you take a look at this chart over here on the side, you can see we've got a K index of 5. Band conditions for the daytime are horrible, and for nighttime they're horrible. 40 meters was completely wiped out. I couldn't hear anything at all on 40 meters. So we're gonna give this a try on 20, 15, and 10. 20, I was heard all the way into Japan. I like that. 15 and 10 were pretty good. This is a very good radiation pattern for my location here in Northwest Wisconsin. It kind of gives you this half moon shape to the south. That's because there's not many people in the north that are set up to do what we're doing right here. I am very happy with the result of this. Remember folks, this is a 5-watt QRP radio on a massive antenna, and it is doing a fantastic job with these solar conditions today. Man, am I glad that winter is gone. This has been a very long winter, and now it is antenna raising season, and I had a couple of friends at the Club Shack today. If you ever want to get some more interest in your ham radio club, start building an antenna right next to the highway. We had 2 people that have never stopped by the club before show up, introduce themselves, tell us their call signs, and we welcome them to come back at any time. So club meetings at the W9WAR Club Shack are Wednesday mornings, 9 a.m. until we all get tired of each other and go home. And then we do field day together. Bill is an excellent cook, and we just have a blast. If you'd like some more information on this antenna, I will leave a link in the description down below. I can also get you a $15 off discount if you click that link down there. In the meantime, there is a video up here I think you'll enjoy next. Thanks for being awesome. I'll see you over there.